Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel, also my podcast, and my syndicated radio show. Trends are your friend. Volume in the market's your friend. But they never talk to you about that. I'm going to show you how important a trend is. Remember, the trend tells you the truth. The trend shows you what the big institutions are doing. Are they putting money in or taking money out? That's what you want to know. Take, for example, if you look at this trend back here, after we had the crash, right, in 2020, we went down about 32% for about 5 weeks, and then we had this big rally, 133%. But see that trend? We had a nice trend going up. And then, of course, the institutions stopped. The Federal Reserve stopped doing QE. No more zero rates. They moved the rates up to 4%. And then the trend collapsed. We went down for a straight 45 weeks. They're claiming October is the low, but that's not the truth. So when you look at an uptrend and you look over here, you can see right here, this is my chart, my Pro 2 color-coded chart. When you see the trend going up, see the difference? You got money coming in. And on my chart, it turns green. So you got money going up. See right here? Trend is your friend. It's never wrong. It's never wrong, okay? Showing big institutions coming in. But look what happened over here after they raised rates and the trend broke. Look what happened. Look how it changed. All of a sudden, she started to break. And then the trend changed. See the trend right here? So you knew when to get into buy, because it's green, and you know when to get out or sell short. All doing with trend. Everything's trend and volume. And volume. But the interesting thing is the difference when they went from zero rates to 4%. And that's why it's a joke when they tell you that the low is right here in October, right there. That's the low. No, it's not. The low is down here. That 2020 crash, that 33%, there's the low right there. And right behind that one was the 2018 crash. So this is your bottom right here. And the trend continues to go down because valuations are too high and the institutions aren't participating. So remember, always follow the trend. Money in, money out. How can you not want to know how to short? Okay, you make money on the downside too. Very nice chart. Very nice trend. Trust your trends, not the jibber jabbers on TV. I'll see you on the charts, philsgang.com.